But you make a great point in that, the rule that currently sits is still the rule. Just because they proposed this doesn't mean it's in place. And so we still have all the MCLs for all the chemicals that were proposed or that were in the rule that made it last year. So that's what we're working under at the
Right.
moment with
Right.
a deadline to implement these changes of water treatment for the public by 2029.
The rule right now is that by 2029, water utilities have to achieve the MCL for the two PFAS I mentioned, PFOS and PFAS,
Right.
along with the other four, which have their own acronyms, Gen X and PFHXS and PFNA. The issue with that is obviously the more chemicals regulated that might cause disease, injury, etc., the better. But we're seeing this, there's a couple things going on here. Obviously, there's politics going on. There's industry input. And then in some, we sort of have a battle between the water utilities, which it's hard to be critical of that industry, and safe drinking water, because you could issue, bottom line, you could issue all the regulations you want. If the technology isn't there to treat it,
Right.
or if the economics don't support it, it's not going to happen. So it's really this is really sort of a tension here between maybe what the right thing to do is, which is to drive these standards to effectiveness and the ability to do it. That's a tension.